Today we are going to make this 3D block, which is by Funbox. It is written it is for age 3+, but I doubt that a 3+ child can make this. This is called Chimpanzee Construction Set DIY Toys. So this is a DIY toy of making chimpanzee through EVA blocks. Okay, EVA blocks are EVA mats, soft foam mats. There's this sheet given with this box to help us make the whole chimpanzee. There is this foam sheet which has all the cutouts of this is gray color, and another sheet of orange color, again an EVA sheet, EVA mat sheet with cutouts. And these are the pieces with the help of which we will attach all the gray and orange pieces together. There's a set of eyes given with this. So let's see how we start to make the puzzle. So this is how we take out all the pieces very easily. They just come out like this. If you just press a little, they just come out of this. So very easily we can take out all the pieces, and they have started constructing. Chinmay, what are you making?
Face.
All right, let's see how we make this now. And we will be left with these pieces, these cutouts, which we don't have to throw. They are not used in making the chimpanzee, but they are not used, but we can just keep them aside to do some other craft work also.
And this will go like this. Oh dear. There is one more.
That's wrong. How shall we see the other eye? Okay, acha. All right, that's correct. All right, okay. Oh wow, so we have this.
अभी तक नहीं बनाए पूरा.
All right, I'll just help you with this. I'll just help you. Okay. So this is how we make the face. These pieces are for joining these two pieces, the gray and the orange piece. So you see, if you just press it across, this joins it together. All right, this is how we are joining the pieces. So here the face is almost ready.
Look, there is something left.
Show me. Wow, okay. And here we have this body almost ready. The front part is ready, and now we'll make the back part. So we have attached the torso with the head. Look at the back. This is how it will look at the back, and this is how it looks in the front. And now we are going to attach the hands and the legs. So we have this monkey, and it can move its legs, it can move its hands like this. So this is the final joining of all the pieces of the monkey, of the chimpanzee rather. So this is how we have completed the chimpanzee in around 25-30 minutes, and it can be made by a kid, 5+ kid, not by the 3+, but by a 5+ kid with the help of someone older to him.